Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Pokemon Go app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click on just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Pokemon Go app. Or just click on search, then here at Pokemon Go app, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache, then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then here you search for Pokemon Go app, it's going to show for you like this here. So then here you will find update, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.